In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison between standard vehicle efficiency and the performance you can expect using the NeoSocket fuel saver. When comparing these two approaches, the primary contrast lies in ease of use. Traditionally, improving fuel economy requires expensive mechanical tuning or permanent modifications. In contrast, the NeoSocket is a compact plug-and-play device designed to help drivers get more distance from every tank without any specialized tools. It connects directly to your vehicle's port, typically found under the dashboard, and works quietly behind the scenes. While standard driving means constant stops at the pump, users like Michael from Houston report filling up noticeably less often after making this simple change. The trade-off here is between high-effort maintenance and a set-and-forget solution. According to the manufacturer, the device adapts to your specific driving habits, whether you are stuck in city traffic or cruising on the highway like Jennifer from Tampa, who noted smoother highway trips on her family's long road trips. Because it requires no apps or complicated setup, it is a practical choice for those who are not car experts. Unlike permanent engine remapping, this device can be moved between compatible vehicles, offering a flexible and low-effort way to potentially lower your monthly fuel budget. If you are looking for a way to drive farther for less, this might be the simple upgrade you need. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Have you tried any fuel savers before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.